Peter sits at his office desk. The room is gray. He looks very tired. Peter sees a picture on his computer. It is a sunny town. He wants to go there. He needs a break. Peter is at his home. He puts clothes in his bag. He is very careful. He closes the dark green bag. Peter smiles. He is ready for his vacation. He feels happy. Peter is on a train now. He looks out the window. He sees green fields. He sees blue sky. He holds a warm cup of tea. Peter looks relaxed. He feels peaceful. The train stops. Peter gets off the train. He has his travel bag. The sun is shining brightly. The small town looks pretty. It is very quiet. Peter feels content. Peter walks down the main street. He sees a small shop. It has a red door. He stops walking. Peter looks in the shop window. He is very interested. He sees many things. Peter enters the shop. Mr. Evans is behind the counter. He has white hair. Mr. Evans smiles. He says hello to Peter. The shop is full of unique items. It feels warm. Peter looks at a shelf. He sees a small wooden bird. It is about the size of his palm. He picks it up gently. Peter looks at its chest. It has a bright blue spot. He feels delighted. Peter wants the wooden bird. He buys it from Mr. Evans. They talk for a moment. Their talk is pleasant. Mr. Evans wraps the bird. He uses paper. He is very careful. Peter sits on a park bench. He unwraps the wooden bird. He holds it in his hand. He watches real birds. They fly in the trees. Peter feels very happy. He feels peaceful. Peter is at a small outdoor cafe. He drinks a cup of coffee. The wooden bird sits on the table. It is next to his cup. Peter looks around the town square. He has a gentle smile. He feels content. Peter is on the train. He is going home now. He looks out the window. Green fields pass by. Peter holds the wooden bird. He feels calm and happy. The trip was very good. Peter is back at his office. He sits at his desk. The wooden bird is on his desk. He looks at the bird. He touches it gently. Peter smiles a warm smile. The bird helps him remember his calm trip. If you liked the video, subscribe and hit the bell.
Si te gustó el video, suscríbete y activa la campanita.